Welcome back, guys. So in our previous video we saw how to download the Oracle testing suite, and I had promised that it would take 25 minutes. It did take more than that. It depends on your internet speed though. So coming back to how to install the setup file that I have downloaded is I have extracted the OATS zip file. Pretty huge. It's like 1.96 GB, and this is what it comes up with. So all I'm going to do is right now go for the setup and try to install it. You might get some security confirmations. Just go ahead and say yes. So the whole process sometimes takes more than, it can take from 45 minutes to maybe an hour, because OATS comes with a default XE database. So by the time it installs all the components, this might take a pretty long time. So I would rather suggest that you go for the full installation, but if you really want to save time, like for example you just need the ID, you have a lot of custom options, so which I'll just show you in some time. So this is the Oracle Enterprise Manager installation that's come up. I'm just going to click next for now. So this is what I was talking about. So the complete installation takes about 1.33 GB of space. If you want to install the individual components, if you're an expert user, then try to go this. So this is what I was talking about. It comes with an WebLogic server, an XE database, and so on. So in case if you were to install only the ID, that is only for recording and for playback, and you do not want to make this system as your server, then what you would do is ideally turn this off. This is mostly the server component of the Oracle testing suite. That's why it has the application server and the database server installed. So in order to record and playback, or if you have many users who are only going to use the IDE to record and playback scripts, then you don't need the server at all. So in such cases you would only install OpenScript and application testing suite agent, and this agent is required to not only execute the scripts on your system, but also if you want to execute the scripts on a remote machine. So anyway, I'm not going to complicate it too much for now. So for now, since I want all the components, that is, I want the database, the server, and everything to be installed, I'm just going to go back, click the complete for now, and then go for next, and just we're going to wait for the setup to take its own sweet time to come up with its wizard of questions that it's going to come up with. So there's one important thing which you need to know is that please ensure that you have enough of space on your system. So I feel I have good space on C, so I'm just gonna let it be on C. This password is going to be very, very important. Please don't forget this password. This password is going to be your lifesaver. So I'm not going to tell you the password, so please remember it on your own. So that's it. So let's, oops, okay. Must not start with a number and cannot contain. Okay, so I'm just gonna choose a simple password, and this time I'm going to tell you it's welcome1. So I'm going to allow this and click install. So this is going to take at least 45 minutes, and I'm not going to bore you by showing you this. So I hope your installation goes perfectly fine. Please follow the steps and the tips that I've provided in this video, and do write me your comments and your questions around installing the Oracle Application Testing Suite. Good luck and bye bye for now.